Institution. Please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for latest update.
Hello everyone, welcome to Anandam Online Institution. Today we are going to study a small coding on Indian President. According to Indian Constitution, Article 52, India shall have a president. So according to Article 52, India shall have a president. So we know our first president Dr. Rajendra Prasad and our current president Ram Nath Kovind. So how can we study all those people who were our Indian president? So we are going to study Indian president in a simple short story. So our code story is Raju and Radha came from Sahyagiri. So Raju and Radha came from Sahyagiri to meet Fakru. Raju and Radha came from Sahyagiri to meet Fakru. He invited Neelam Gani with Venkat Dayalu Narayan. He invited Neelam Gani with Venkat Dayalu Narayan. He called his brother Kalam and sister Pratibha. He called his brother Kalam and his sister Pratibha to give Pranam Govinda. So our God will be coming into the picture. Raju Radha came from Sahyagiri to meet Fakru. He invited Neelam Gyani with Venkat Dayalu Narayan. He called his brother Kalam and sister Pratibha to give Pranam Govinda. So if you are preparing for any competitive exam like UPSC, PSC or whatever it is, you must study this code so that you can easily understand our Indian president. So if you are studying this code, please note down the code properly in a notebook so that you can refer it easily. So our story, Raju and Radha. So in this, Raju means Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. So he was president from 1950 to 1962. So he was our first president, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, from 1950 to 1962. So he was the longest serving president in India. So Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the only person who served as president of India for a long duration. So our next president, in that code we see that Raju and Radha. So this Radha will be coding as
Radhakrishnan. Dr. Radhakrishnan.
So he was our president from 1962 to 1967. So Dr. Radhakrishnan was our president of India from 1962 to 1967. So he was the first person who served as vice president. So when Rajendra Prasad was the president, he was the vice president. So Dr. Radhakrishnan was also vice chancellor of two universities, that are Hindu Banaras University and Andhra University. So we all know September 5 is the Teachers' Day. We are celebrating Teachers' Day on September 5. So Dr. Radhakrishnan's birthday is celebrating as Teachers' Day. So when our coding is coming, Raju and Radha came from Sahyagiri. So this Sahya will be coding as Zakir Hussain. So he was our president of India, Zakir Hussain, from 1967 to 69. So Raju, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Radha, Dr. Radhakrishnan. Sahya means Zakir Hussain. So Zakir Hussain, he was our president from 1967 to 1969. So in India, he was the first Muslim president. He was the first Muslim president of India. So Zakir Hussain was also the co-founder of Jamia Millia University. So he was the co-founder of Jamia Millia University. So Zakir Hussain died on his tenure. Tenure means he was working as a president. So at the time of president he was dead. So he was the shortest serving president in India. So Dr. Zakir Hussain was the shortest serving president in India, and Dr. Rajendra Prasad is the longest serving president in India. So we say that Raju and Radha came from Sahya Giri. So Sahya we say that Zakir Hussain, and Giri. Giri means VV Giri. We are calling Giri as VV Giri. So VV Giri serving from 1969 to 1974. So his full name was Varahagiri Venkata Giri. Okay, so don't get confused. Varahagiri Venkat Giri. He was also served as acting president in 1969 when the death of Zakir Hussain came. So when Zakir Hussain was passed away, he was the acting president of India. After the election came, he was the candidate and he became president of India from 69 to 74. So now we are going to see our code once more. Raju and Radha, Dr. Rajendra Prasad and Dr. Radha Krishnan came from Sahya Giri. Sahya means Zakir Hussain and Giri means VV Giri. So to meet Fakhru, that's our code. To meet Fakhru. So Fakhru means Fakhruddin Ali. So Fakhruddin Ali Ahmad served as Indian president from 1974 to 1977. So Raju, Radha, Sahya, Giri. So that was the first line coding. Our next line coding, we invite Neelam Gyani. So we want to know who was Neelam and Gyani. Neelam was Neelam Sanjeev Reddy. So Neelam Sanjeev Reddy served as Indian president from 1977 to 1982. Neelam Sanjeev Reddy served as president of India from 1977 to 1982. So we say that Neelam Gyani. Gyani means Gyani Sail Singh. So Gyani Sail Singh served as Indian president from 1982 to 1987. So Neelam Sanjeev Reddy from 1977 to 1982 and Gyani Sail Singh from 1982 to 1987. So Gyani Sail Singh came with Venkat Dayalu Narayan. Venkat Dayalu Narayan. So now we are going to study about these three people. Venkat Dayalu Narayan. So Venkat means R. Venkat Ramanan. He served as Indian president from 1987 to 1990. Second one, Dayal Sharma. Dayal Sharma served Indian president from 1992 to 1997. And third one, K.R. Narayanan. K.R. Narayanan served as Indian president from 1997 to 2002. So don't forget these three people are Venkata Ramanan, Shankar Dayal Sharma, K.R. Narayan. So when we are coming to the third section of our code, which means he called his brother Kala and sister Pratibha to give Pranam Govinda. His brother Kala. Kala means Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Avul Pakir Jainalabadi Abdul Kalam. He served as Indian president from 2002 to 2007. So Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam served as Indian president from 2002 to 2007. So APJ Abdul Kalam is also known as People's President. APJ Abdul Kalam is also known as People's President. So Pratibha Devi Patel. She served as Indian president from 2007 to 2012. So Pratibha Patel served as Indian president from 2007 to 2012. So she was the first woman president of India. So Pratibha Patel was the first woman president of India. Kalam and Pratibha was invited to give Pranam Govinda. So Pranam is Pranab Mukherjee. So Pranab Mukherjee served as Indian president from 2012 to 2017. Before this, he was the Union Minister of Finance. So he was the Union Minister of Finance from 2009 to 2012, that duration. And our final card is Pranam Govinda. Govinda means Ramnath Kovind. So Ramnath Kovind is the second Dalit President of India. Second Dalit President of India, Ramnath Kovind. He was from 2017 till now. So when he was the second Dalit President, who was our first Dalit President? That is K.R. Narayanan. So K.R. Narayanan is the first Dalit President and Ramnath Kovind is the second Dalit President. So Ramnath Kovind also served as Central Government Advocate in High Court of Delhi. So with a simple story, we have learned about President in India. So I am going to say that quote once more. Please listen. Raju and Radha came from Sahyagiri to meet Fakhruddin. He invited Neelam Gyani with Venkat Dayalu Narayan. He called his brother Kalam and sister Pratibha to give Pranam Govinda. So I hope today's class was very useful for everyone. So if you like the class, please click on the like button and please subscribe the channel for latest updates. Thank you.
Welcome to Anandam Online Institution. Please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for latest update.